Okay, now let's update the chart section as for equity funds page on Australian managed funds. One thing I would like to tell you that I can update this very easily, but one thing I wanted to know whether like on share prices the okay February and March is given and February and March for ASX is also given. So on I think on equity fund of managed funds only the table needs to be updated because I can see these figures. No. This is January and this is also January. So I'm just wanted to know that whether we need to update February and March for I think April, May. I'll do that. I'll do that for both. So let's first update this chart thing for overall chart figures from. I'll take the figures from here. Okay. So what we need to do for chart updating chart, we need to go to SiteGround website. Okay. We just need to log in here on SiteGround, and when we log in, so we see in the website section we see Australian managed fund website, and then we click on site tool, and when we click on site tools we get various options. Okay, so we have all these options here, and here we see file manager option. So actually we need to make one change in one of the files for updating the charts. So we will go to this click on public HTML here where all these files are loaded, and then WP content, and then themes, and then there is brain this child, and then there is and in brain this child you just remember this thing. Okay, and then brain based child we have a custom JS file. You just need to open it, just double click on it, it will get open, and now you see a lot of code here. You will and I advise you to just click on this search button, search icon, and the search box will open, and then whatever figure you need to update you will have to. So what you need to do, just because we already have this figure 405.47, we just need to find it. So we'll find the place where we just need to add it. So I will type 407, right? 407.40. Oh, 47, sorry, 47. Okay. 405. Okay, I typed wrong. 405.47. Okay, 405.47. This is the last for January. So we have found the figure. We just need to add it here in custom.js file. So the latest ones. So this is the latest one. So I was typing wrong. Just copy it here, copy it from here, and paste it here. So it gets pasted. You can see here, code pasted here, right? And now on the other figure for February, this thing. Because if we see the website, we have 32.10. So just beside 32 30.0. So for SF there is a different line. So we come to custom.js and the 32.10 just decided we paste the new for February, new figure for the February 24.34, right? So this is done for the page pop-up. Now there is you can see that 405.47 we have two instances. Now we have updated it one. Now we just click on this next one, next match, and then we find that. So this one is for the pop-up. So for pop-up also we need to update. So what we will do, we'll go to the first one and we'll copy here this one, or we can copy from the PPT, and then we come to the second one, second match, and we paste it here, right? And then similarly for ASX as well, 24.34, and then we go to the next match and we paste it here, right? So this is done for the chart. The charts are updated. All we need to do is click this button and save it. So for February it is done. And now another thing we need to do is just where, yes, Jan 22 Jan is written. So we will have to do, will remain on the, so the label, this thing we will have to enter. Sometimes we forget it. This thing 22 Jan will enter here. I'm sorry, in quotes. So this, okay, 22 Jan. And we will make it Feb and Feb, and again what we will do, we paste and we will make 22 March. So so once we do that, so what we will have to do is to find the pop-up one, what we will do is copy this one, and we have found one instance. Now we will find the second. Here we will do the again same thing, comma, paste, and 22 February, sorry, in quotes. Feb, and then in quotes we will do. I might be committing some mistakes, but I'll correct it if I get it wrong. So now I think we have done it. So just check it once again. March 1. Okay. I think I've done something wrong. I did not put the code here. Okay. February, January, February, March, and January, and this is the February. Okay. Okay. Now for March as well, we need to put the figures. So it's 405.41. So what we will do, we will just again at the same place, see in the same file, we'll again find these. You can search it by entering the value. You will find it. I just I know I have an idea, so I just scrolled it. So when we so this is the March figure. Okay. Now similarly for ASX, C, and we come to this file and just so what we must do is this is the wrong way. We first put the figures, all the figures at once, and then we give the labels, or we give the label, then we go to the figures and we do it further. Now this is for the pop-up. Now what we can do, we just go to okay. So this is the other part. So what I will do, I have that ASX value copied, so I paste it first, and then so you need not to do any coding, just find these value, open this file in custom.js and paste the value. So just remember how to search. How to search is just pick up the previous value which is already added for previous month. Just pick up the like 405.47, and when you enter it in the search 405.47, so it will give you the line where you need to make the changes. So you just I added just these two March, February and March figures, and similarly for ASX as well, you will find the ASX just below it, and then what you need to find is this where you need to make these 22. So I find 22 Jan. What I will do, I will type 22 Jan. So you can see these I have found 22 Feb, and I added just now. So it is giving me two instances, the second one, and then when we come to the first one, so you can just move through these arrows from one to another and make the changes. So you can watch this video 1 or 2 times and you will get the idea. So now this is the most complex part that you weren't able to do. Now you will be able to do it through this. So now I'll just click the save button, and the chart should be updated on the front end, right? And when we come to here, we will just refresh the pages. Some cache issue. Not worry. You can click few times. We can just refresh to. Okay, now you see that February 22 figures are appearing and March 22. Okay, so this is working now. Let's check it for pop-up as well. February and March. I think I will make it March is coming for as of 4 words, so I will make it like this, March, so it will look good. So again I will go to the custom dot, so I'll make it Mar here, and then again at the other place here as well. So just you need to move through these your arrows after typing your keyword. Okay, so and now just save it. After saving it, you just need to refresh your browser few times to see the results. So it might come one at once as well, but normally it's holding cache, so it comes after few times. Like you can see, it hasn't come. So if it doesn't come, you just close your browser and open it again. So I refreshed it few times. Let's see if it's coming. Okay, so the changes are coming, and same, I think pop-up is also updated, so it looks good now. And so that's it for this updating the chart part. Now in the next video we'll update the tables.